Hi everybody, it's Susie. Welcome to my channel. I have a great hack for you today. Something that'll help you keep your lipstick off of your mask. You know, we're going to be wearing these masks for a long time, I think. And so if you're like me, you end up putting your lipstick on and then saying, oh gosh, I forgot, I have to wear a mask. Put the mask on. Then you have lipstick all over everything. Well, I've got a great hack for you, so keep watching. Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your lips are super dry and that they have foundation on them, preferably a cream foundation, but you can use powder, but just make sure that they have foundation on them. The next thing you want to do is make sure, even if you don't usually wear lip liner, make sure that you wear lip liner, because this will help keep the lipstick from bleeding and from bleeding onto your not only your skin but also onto the mask. So add your favorite lip liner. Mine is Spice by MAC, so let's just do a little bit of that. After I put Spice on, I usually put on another lighter color. This is Nude from NYX, just to kind of make it all sort of blend in. You also want to put that second liner all over your lips so that, again, the idea is that everything is matted and dry to your lips. Okay, next what you want to do is make sure that you use like a lip lacquer or not a real pigmented lip, like a nude lip. This is Striptease NYX in Baby Doll, or you could use like one of the Kylie Jenner lipsticks, but you want to use a lip lacquer. Okay, and then you want to put a light coat on to sort of dot it around and then do like that. You know what I mean? Make it go all around. Then tap it in with your finger. The idea again is that it's pulling into your lips. Okay, after you're done that, take a very light gloss. Take a very light gloss. This is one of the Milani glosses. These are really good. I'll have it linked below if you want to know the color. And very light, and just put it on the center of your lips. Pretty much like what you would normally do. Except, again, don't use anything too high sheen. Don't use anything with a lot of color. But the last trick is to take a powder, any powder that you have, like a translucent powder, and with a very small brush and just a little bit on there, you want to dab it on your lips. Just like that. Maybe take a little bit more. Okay. And that's pretty much it, believe it or not. Then put your mask on and try to make your mask like, you know, have like a little tent. So it's like that. How about that? Did you ever think we'd be doing this? And honestly, I wore it all day like that today, and there's almost nothing on there. So once you take it off, if you're going out and you want to take it off, just take your gloss with you and put a little more gloss on, and you'll be good to go. So there's my trick for today. Please give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share my video and leave me a comment. Thanks so much. Take care. See you in the next one.